Welcome back to the Primetime News Package. In this week's edition of the Business Review, the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority announces plans to start doing more with alumina.
Alumina is the raw material which is used in the production of aluminium. It creates a durable, flexible yet strong metal. It's used in the production of consumer products like cars, roofing, and utensils. For decades, Jamaica exported tons of alumina overseas. That's because the island was not equipped with the expertise and technology required to produce finished aluminium products. But according to the CEO of the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority, Dr. Eric Deans, all that is about to change.
So we've been moving away from primary bauxite and alumina to actually get into smelting, to start producing aluminum ingots, which will then lead into the other finished aluminum products. Roofing, roof door panels, auto parts, cell phone covers.
It's all a part of the authority's master plan to establish world-class industrial parks across the island. But in order to do that, Dr. Dean says Jamaica's industry policy must be revised and updated.
Our last industrial policy was done in 1996. And if you look at it, you can do your research, or if you pull it up, you see all it focused on agriculture, minerals, primary services. And if that's your agricultural policy, you're bound to continue doing the same thing you've been doing and having the same results, which is 1% growth. It's agreed that Jamaica needs to develop an updated industrial policy that meets the needs of the modern globalized world. And those industries will be located within the Special Economic Zone.
Dr. Dean says the updated policy will empower operations at the proposed Caymanas zone, which will be one of the areas where the new industrial activities will take place.
The third major area is the Caymanas zone, and that will focus on assembly, light industrial, agro-processing, activities that can readily fit into the logistics profile of being close to a port.
He says there are also other plans to improve and expand Jamaica's logistics services, especially where air transport is concerned.
Right now, out of Asia, approximately $2 to $3 billion worth of products move each day that are ordered online. And most of that move by air, because when a customer goes online and orders, they want it the next day or 2 days later. So having a base here, which is the whole essence of the logistics hub, where we have the base here so that we can satisfy that immediate need for instant gratification of the customers.
The Gisco Industrial Park is the largest being developed by the authority. The others are the Caymanas Special Economic Zone in St. Catherine and the Vernon Field Aerotropolis in Clarendon. For the Business Review, I'm Kalisha Williams.